To add people to conversation on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is just go for the Messages application, and from here select any conversation that you'd like to add people to. So I will select this one, and from here press these three dots on the top right corner, and here is the button to add people. So tap it, and here you can, here's the list of all of your contacts, so you can select from your contacts. You can search your contacts right here, and you can additionally type in numbers right here. You can send add a contact, a number to your conversation. So let's add this number, for example, and you can add some more people. And from there, after you are done basically adding more people to this conversation, press this next button. Here you can give this group a name, which is optional, and press done. And here is this mass text. Here we have this conversation with two contacts right here. So that's how you can do this.